Give me blood, I shall give you freedom. Hello everyone, yes you all got me right. I'm Subhash Chandra Bose. People call me Netaji. I formed Indian National Army to fight against Britishers. I fought for my country and I'm still alive in the heart of people. On 15 August 1947, Britishers ran from our country and our brave freedom fighters said them, go to your country. Why are you coming in our country? Simon, go back. Simon, go back. They fight from them. And Jawaharlal Nehru means he became the first Prime Minister of the India. And this festival made us proud. And we make it in India. And you should be also proud to be an Indian. So here I like to end my small poem of Hindi. क्या पढ़ते हो किताबों में? आओ मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. 15 अगस्त की असली परिभाषा अच्छे से समझाता हूँ. एक दौर था जब भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहते थे. कैद कर लिया उस चिड़िया को जो अंग्रेज कहलाते थे. कुतर कुतर कर सारे पंख अजमरा कर छोड़ा था. सांसें चल रही थी बस हिम्मत से नाता जोड़ा था. आज हम उस चिड़िया को घर से बाहर बुलाते हैं और आओ मिलकर ये पर्व, आओ मिलकर बनाते हैं, आओ मिलकर बनाते हैं. जब when we were having freedom fighters, now we are having Navy, Police, Army and Indian Air Force, Sand Police. They are protecting us. So here I like a India poem of English. That one day of a heart. It is a heart-touching poem. If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Tell my brother to study perfectly. Keys of my bike will be his permanent tree. Tell my sister not to be upset. He won't get after the sunset. Tell my love not to cry because I am a soldier and I want to die. I want to die. जय हिंद, जय भारत. धन्यवाद.